breadfruit tree,
Yeah.
and pear tree,
Yeah.
and ackee tree.
Yeah.
It could be worse, but praise be to God, because God was in the midst.
Yeah.
Because when they cry out to God.
I didn't even know about it coming so much.
Really? Jamal's family, how you do? Oh, thank you so much for the love and concern. We survived Beryl, and I thank you for your interest. I'm doing, so it's the morning after. It's morning after, it's about 9 o'clock now. But I've been on the road. I said I was gonna do a little road tour, if you will, to share with you. But this is the essence of it so far. Down trees. This is a classic example. This road is blocked right now, totally blocked, impossible. And this, and then here is the water. Over here, I'm not sure if you can see it. Hopefully, yeah, that's the water there. Kind of an indication. It's like a sea right over here. It's a clear indication of what transpired. So, on the face of it, it's definitely not the worst we have seen in terms of hurricane. Certainly not on this side of the island where I'm at, which is the northwestern Mobi side. So, I have a little road tour though that I've started that I want to share with you. Lots of down trees. People started cleaning up and stuff already, but I wanted to give you an idea of what transpired. So, let's go. This looks interesting. This now, this is interesting. There's some CBS News is here. CBS came to Jamaica. Look at that. Down trees, down trees, down trees. This probably is yeah.
All down trees.
Yeah, this is probably the worst I've seen so far in this area, in the Montego Bay area. Wow, look at that. Look outside. Nina is reporting along with me as well, guys. More damage. Oh, a lot of trees here. Yeah, the roads, look at this. They've started cleaning up the road. But this area.
This smells weird.
Smells weird, yes. That's Nina in the background reporting. My co-reporter.
And that's poor.
I'm sorry. Morning. You don't.
The road is getting cleaned up after all the trees fall down.
Yes. Thank you. That's Nina. There was some cleaning going on here as well. Yes. So we're back at the traffic lights, and this is the Fairfield.
Lights are here, so we can.
Yes.
So we can go.
More debris on the road. Yep. Side of the road here. Yep. You can see huge broken tree right here.
Yeah, and some people hasn't cleaned this one, but they have to clean it.
This here again in the whoa! Look at this.
Look at this big tree. Why did it even fall down?
Look at the debris here again.
Look at all of the trees.
Yeah, so there you.
And the paper even.
Yeah, so you saw
everything.
You saw earlier. We saw a team from CBS News from the US. Apparently they came here to cover the hurricane. I'm not sure if they have other teams around the island, but they're in the Mobi area here. We saw them earlier. So I'm sure they'll be reporting. Those of you in the US who follow CBS will see more report on that. This here is a new highway that is coming on this side of the island. But look at the more damage here. Road, trees, Granville side. And I'm gonna, as we go closer, clearly as we go closer into the more rural parts, it appears as if there's more damage. So this is interesting.
Damage.
Yeah, this is our
some people
GPS. So go. GPS. The power company. So they're doing doing some work here, but so there's a tree here in the middle of the road. Alright, so they're here doing some work as you can see.
Yeah, where we just passed. Where we just passed. Yeah, where we just passed.
So I'm noticing a trend now. Definitely. Look over here. Some huge trees broken over that side. And the road here is really messed up. Really messed up. So we lost power. We lost power at maybe about 4:35 yesterday. There are other places in Jamaica that lost power much earlier than us. But from all indications, it doesn't appear as if we're gonna be having power anytime soon, because where there's damage, where they are down, people on the ground picking up mango here. Morning. All right. Where there's damage, where down power lines or any damage, any damage to the equipment, the power company's equipment, then they're gonna have to take care of that first before they restore. So it'll seem as if we have a little longer wait, based on what I'm seeing so far, before we get electricity is resumed. But you can see this is a road. That's a tree here hanging as well. So you're seeing it live and in living color, guys. The morning after. I'm heading now into Granville proper, and as you can see again, more trees down. Look at this truck is almost covered. That truck, yeah, almost covered by a down tree. I'm looking. You're seeing. Yeah, man. But no, man. All right. So this is Granville proper now, guys. I'm just looking through the main road here, and looking through the Baptist church. Oh, interesting. This is a gas station. A tree there. Alright, and the gas station fell down. Alright, sir. Alright, so this is home for me, so you'll hear me shouting out to other people, family and friends in the Granville area here. Alright. That's the Granville school over here. Olive. I did a feature the other day on Jamaica Day, so you should take a look at it. There, I have a link to it. We talk a little more about the community if you don't know much about this community as well. Alright, so clearly a lot of breadfruit. The breadfruit still on the ground. Breadfruit tree down here as well. Look over the side there. Over the side. Hi, brother. Yes, sir. The lady in the bushes there. All right. So we are in the main. I'm keeping it just on road. And there's some real damage here, man. There's really a lot of work that's gonna need to be done. God, look at this. A lot of work that needs to be done. A lot of broken down trees, and a lot of them are actually in the road. So this, I didn't even expect this, Look at this. This is in the road, so this is a turn. Look at this. This structure. Totally down. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's covered. Yes, look at that. It's covered. Totally covered by the see. By the trees. So you're getting a common a common theme here. Common theme here, guys. A lot of down trees in the road, and I am a little bit more nervous now about what might have happened on the south coast, because I know that on this side it was not as, based on my experience at home. We heard the winds, but it was definitely not as bad as the other side. Morning. Kenil, one minute. Come on, why?
You're good?
Alright. Listen, the blocks. Some damage up here, guys. Some damage up here. There's a huge,
A lot of damage.
a lot of damage.
See, the goats are helping, I guess.
To clean up. Hey, that's interesting. I think the goats are helping themselves while they're helping. Eh? Vamos gostar da produção.
And look at everything.
Mr. Uprooted.
Look at some of those and that.
Look at this. Morning. Morning, sister.
Good morning.
Boy.
Where's Miss
Miss Breadfruit, she went down early. And they already started this. But look at breadfruit, guys. There's still a lot of breadfruit on the ground here. Woo! Wow.
Tell them that you're at Namprel.
Namprel, yeah. Namprel in retirement. And this is where the community spirit comes in, guys. Because guess what? I just got some planting from a lady over there. And also, this tree here that was damaged, that fell down, all of this cutting up was done by community people. They came together to cut that up. People cleaning up, guys, cleaning up. Getting feedback, guys, from other persons. You have heard from me, from other persons who have experienced this. And this is sister
Maxwell.
It's Maxwell.
Yes.
What was your experience last night or yesterday with the hurricane?
Well, you see the experience, Gilbert's were more dangerous.
Yeah.
More than this one.
Yes.
But this one stay much longer.
Okay.
And the Gilbert damage more damage.
Yes.
Because when Gilbert blow, you never see any tree.
Yes.
You understand? Everything gone. But this you see tree.
Yeah.
Plenty trees still stand, although we have 1 and 2 tree, breadfruit tree, and pear tree, and ackee tree.
Yeah.
It could be worse, but praise be to God, because God was in the midst.
Yeah.
Because when they cry out to God, ask Him
A
to
lot
have
of prayers.
mercy.
A lot of prayers.
Yeah,
It actually didn't come on land, you know
no,
that? It went on the sea.
It went on the sea.
That's what I heard.
Gilbert come on the land.
Yes.
Because Gilbert go on mountain peak, up a Blue Mountain peak. But this one comes straight.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
so big Gilbert were more dangerous. More than this one. But we give God thanks.
We give God thanks. But wait until we hear the people on the south coast, you know, because the people on the south, where it travel, St. Elizabeth.
But Mandeville.
Yeah, that side.
And what I get to understand, my daughter called somebody a Mandeville. They tell me say Mandeville did mash up.
Yes.
Yes, Mandeville. I don't know what I heard.
I remember that. Yeah.
So we still have to give
but we
God
give thanks because it could have been on land. And it could have, if it was on land, it would have been a lot more danger to more people.
Yes, we are blessed.
All right.
Because otherwise country we get it mash up. You understand? So we have to give God thanks and continue to pray and tell God thanks for what He have done for us in Jamaica and we love.
That is it.
Have a nice day.
Thank
God
you.
be with you.
Yeah, man. You too. Yeah. So this is, what's your name?
My name? My name in the government is Nella.
Yeah, in the government. All right, Nella. So we are still standing, and we give God thanks for that.
Yes.
You know, could have been worse. But I want to hear what your experience. So how was it for you? How was the hurricane?
When I used to this from I was a child.
I used to this?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So it's nothing new to me.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Were you nervous though? I mean,
no,
I never was nervous.
because I didn't even know about it coming so much
Really?
until I think it was Thursday.
Wow,
My
okay.
phone was giving me problem.
Okay, okay.
So I went to the Digicel office to get them check on it for
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
And I was watching then TV, and that was the time when I see that things was coming up. Because I grew with it. So it wasn't anything too frightening to me.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
We're thankful. Which one was the most frightening for you
Which one?
in the past?
Gilbert.
Gilbert. Gilbert.
Gilbert.
All right then.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Love and thanks and take
Yes,
care.
yes.
And you have a lot of nice herbs around the place, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, use them up.
Yes. As
Custard
I was
apple?
saying what I grew up with, I just love to have them around.
Yes. Me too, me
Because
too.
I know the
You use of them?
benefit. Yes.
Yeah, I see all the vervine you have there too.
Yes.
Spanish Negro, all of them.
Save them. I don't like, you see the spray what they use to
Yeah,
spray them.
yeah.
You know what?
No, it's dangerous.
You know what? Yeah.
All right. Love and thanks.
Thank you for your time.
The Mobile United playfield, guys. I messed up. Team is common, guys. Come and see him. Come and see him here. More down trees, guys. More down trees. So it's a huge one again. So this is pretty much the story. Certainly from this side of the island. That's it, guys. The morning after. The morning after, and a little road tour of the town and the city after Beryl. I want to hear from you what you think about it. What do you think about how we fared? Love to hear from you. Drop it in the comments. And thank you for your love and concern. We appreciate it. Certainly. All of Jamaica. Love it. Thank you.